almost done packing the basket, Habibti.
I finished tying the sandwiches, Mama.
And I put all the berries in. It looks so good.
All right, everyone. Are we ready to go? We can't wait, Daddy. It's gonna be a wonderful trip. Who wants the apple juice? Me. Thank you, Mama. I love grape.
Are you kids enjoying the ride?
It's so green everywhere.
I love it, Daddy.
Look at that view. It's absolutely magical. The river is sparkling.
It's so beautiful.
Wow, look at the hills over there.
It's beautiful. Let's go explore.
Who wants a splash fight?
Me! I'm gonna get you.
It smells wonderful, doesn't it? It will be ready in just a moment.
Smells delicious. Look at that steam. Daddy, is it ready yet? Almost, my love. Smells wonderful.
It's almost ready.
Papa, can I have one? Just a minute, it's very hot.
Here,
Try this skewer. It's cooked perfectly.
Oh, that looks delicious, honey.
I want one too. What a perfect evening.
Look how happy they are.